Hey guys, one little update for the character creation tool. Now we are in version 7 with the newest pack, the Gangster pack. So basically you can recreate your own mafia dude or what is that? The other gangsters or whatever. So basically you can just recreate one of those in, well, the sprite swapper. So what is new? Let me show you just a few things. First of all, we got tons of things. Once again, it's overloaded. We got a head now. We got 3 new hairstyles. Oh, let's get rid of the head so you can actually check this out. And we got 3 new heads. So basically when the guys have like, I don't know how you actually call it, if you put oil in there and then like boom, it is a little bit, well, squeaky afterwards. Then we got this grandpa guy. Let's give him regular eyes so it actually appears better. And then we got for our face, now we got a cigar, which is pretty sweet. So I definitely like what he did here. So to symbolize that, it's actually with smoke. So this is pretty cool. Or what was included is now on our right arm a Tommy gun, because Tommy guns are always great. So let's go. No, and let's shoot with that. So this is sweet. What else do we got? Well, 3 kind of body styles. 1, 2, 3, even 4. What is that? 4, 3. I guess 3 or 4 new body types. Let's get rid of the weapon here. And then you can go with bling bling chains or whatever you like. So here, once again, a few things you can set up the way you like. So I guess this is for the bling bling chains. Alrighty, so if you just wanted to have those sprites, then of course you can just go onto RGS Dev's Gangster character. So if you just want to have those things ready to use, not with the tool, but here, well, you can pick them up. So as you can see, this is basically the same stuff, what you can do. And then, well, Tommy gun. Well, okay, he did a little bit more work than me. And of course, pretty sweet. I don't know. So if you just want to check this out, so once again, the regular stuff, if you already bought it for 15 bucks, so the full version, then the Gangster pack is up for the taking. Alrighty, that was it from my side. Have a good one. One up in.